Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Taking a tour of the shop here at DragonfireTools.com. Also taking a tour of some of the different models you offer, Lou. This is one of your 9-footers. Tell me about it.
So this is our 9'4" 1/4" 18-drawer Midnight Pro Series workbench, and it's a monster.
It is a monster. How much does this thing weigh?
1,118 pounds.
Oh my goodness. So in most shops, that's an immovable object that's going to stay where you plant it the first time, but you offer an option that lets people move that around to their workpiece.
Absolutely. So some people want to set it and forget it, and that's fine. But for the professionals or for the homeowner that wants to be able to move this around to clean underneath of it or whatever, we have our 6-piece heavy-duty caster set with 6 swivel casters, 4 of them being locking swivels.
And these just aren't any casters. These enable you to really carry the weight of the workbench.
The workbench plus your tools. Yep.
And the drawers themselves actually stand up to a lot of punishment. How much weight can they hold?
Our single rail drawers are rated for 200 pounds, and our double rail drawers are rated for 400 pounds.
You make these workbenches to last. These are things that are going to be handed down through generations. What are some of the features you've built in to make sure they stand the test of time?
So one of the things is the 14-gauge 304 stainless steel top, our 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, our 14-gauge stainless steel handles, and our fully welded 14-gauge tubular steel construction.
A lot of tool storage systems I've seen out there have the good, better, best model. If you're buying it for home, you want a sort of a scaled down version of what the pros use, but that's not the case with Dragonfire Tools.
We put out the best product, whether you're a homeowner or whether you're a professional. You're getting the same quality either way.
If you're a pro, this is going to stand up to all the abuse you can give it. If you're a homeowner, you're going to get pro grade for your home workshop. Find them at DragonfireTools.com, and there's a discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Type in Motorhead for free shipping and a discount. Here at the headquarters of NHOU in New Hampshire, there's a working laboratory. And Joe, you have laboratories around the country as well. Why do you work so hard to take a product that's already great and try to improve on it?
Why not? Why wouldn't you take advantage of technology? I stay awake at night in a good way, thinking of ways to improve it. There's an awful lot of new technology out there that I'm constantly made aware of, and I'm always trying to see how we can fit it in. And then just maybe improve on what we have in a different way. So in other words, we have now a product that is going to be a biodegradable product, which I think may become our signature product, because so far it's outperformed the original formula, and it is completely biodegradable. We have a non-hazardous, non-toxic product already, but if we can go that route, get away from the petroleum base, why not?
How much do you work off of feedback from your customers when they come in?
It's critical. It's really as critical as the lab. I mean, we have 3,000 vehicles passing through here a year, so that's really our real-life lab. And we've developed a lot of products directly from the feedback.
What are some of the things you look for in a product when you're developing it?
Ease of use, because we're spraying it, so when we give it to one of our dealers and now franchisees, we know that it's going to be user-friendly. We want it to have the characteristics and the performance that the consumer would expect as well, and we want it to be environmentally friendly. Believe it or not, I'm really not motivated by money. My passion is solving problems. That was my job in my prior careers, and if we solve the problem correctly, we make the money. It's the outgrowth or the byproduct of having done that.
And if you solve the problem, the folks are going to keep coming back as well.
Yep.
NHOU Protective Coatings is always on the move, always improving. You can see the science at NHOIlUndercoating.com. Do not fret, there is more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings coming up next, so stay right here.